In this short and basic video, today I will show you how to make DuckDuckGo the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. So very simple and easy way to set this browser as a default. So open the Edge and click on this three dot, then settings. Now here click on privacy and search engine. Scroll down and here the setting address bar and search. Click here. Underneath search engine used in the address bar, you can select DuckDuckGo. Now reopen your Microsoft Edge and try to search something. So as we can see now, result from DuckDuckGo. So thanks for watching guys, and comment on this video useful for you.